4.2 PV Sindhu, an icon of success. Warming up. Chit chat. 1. Do you like to play or watch the games? Answer. Yes, I like to play and also like to watch games. 2. Which games do you like to play? Answer. I like to play kabaddi, football, cricket and table tennis. 3. What are some of our local Indian games? Some of our local Indian games are kabaddi, kho-kho, tipcat, lagori, atya-patya, langdi, malkhambh, surparambi, wrestling, etc. 4. Who is your favorite sportsperson? My favorite sportsperson is Prithvi Shaw, a young cricketer and a good batsman from the Mumbai cricket team. 5. What games are played in Olympics? Answer. Running, track events, swimming, high jump, long jump, boxing, discus throw, shooting, fencing, gymnastics, tennis, cycling, throwing javelin, hammer, shot put, badminton, etc. are played in Olympics. 1. Sports equipment. Write the name of the game or sport near the sports equipments shown below. Answer. Badminton, cricket, hockey, football, table tennis, javelin, lawn tennis, rugby, badminton. 2. Match the game with the place where it is played. A. B. 1. Cricket. Answer. Ground. 2. Badminton. Court. 3. Golf. Course. 4. Boxing. Arena. 5. Skating. Rink. 6. Carom. Board. (4.2) PV Sindhu, an icon of success. PV Sindhu, मूर्तिमंत यश. PV Sindhu or Pusarla Venkata Sindhu is an ace shuttler and silver medalist at 2016 Rio Summer Olympics. Ace shuttler means a top badminton player. म्हणजे उत्कृष्ट बॅडमिंटन खेळाडू. This young badminton player from Andhra Pradesh was born to volleyball players P.V. Ramana and P. Vijaya in the year 1995. P.V. सिंधू म्हणजेच पुसरला वेंकट सिंधू एक निष्णात बॅडमिंटनपटू आणि 2016 रिओ उन्हाळी ऑलिम्पिकची रौप्य पदक विजेती. आंध्र प्रदेशची युवा बॅडमिंटनपटू 1995 साली व्हॉलीबॉलपटू P.V. रमणा आणि P. विजया यांच्या पोटी जन्माला आली. Her father was honored with Arjuna Award for having displayed excellence in his sport. One of the youngest and talented badminton players of the contemporary times, Sindhu has featured in the top 10 in the World Badminton Rankings for the most part of 2014. Contemporary, belonging to same times, Samakalin, featured, have an important part in प्रमुख महत्त्वाचे आकर्षण. खेळातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट कामगिरीसाठी तिच्या वडिलांना अर्जुन पुरस्काराने सन्मानित करण्यात आले होते. समकालीन खेळाडूंमधील सर्वात लहान व अत्यंत बुद्धिमान खेळाडूंपैकी एक असलेली सिंधू जागतिक बॅडमिंटन क्रमवारीमध्ये 2014 सालचा बराच कालावधी प्रथम 10 क्रमांकामध्ये होती. PV Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8 after she drew inspiration from Pullela Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. That's the reason why she chose badminton over volleyball, although her parents were professional volleyball players. पुलेला गोपीचंद यांनी 2001 मध्ये ऑल इंग्लंड ओपन बॅडमिंटन चॅम्पियनशिपमध्ये मिळवलेल्या यशाने प्रेरित होऊन PV सिंधूने वयाच्या 8व्या वर्षापासून बॅडमिंटन खेळायला सुरुवात केली. याच कारणामुळे तिने आपले आई-वडील व्यावसायिक व्हॉलीबॉलपटू असूनही व्हॉलीबॉलऐवजी बॅडमिंटनची निवड केली. Her initial apprenticeship started with Mehboob Ali at the badminton courts of Indian Railway Institute of Signal Engineering and Telecommunications in Sikandarabad. Initial starting first प्रारंभीचा सुरुवातीचा apprenticeship learning as a trainee उमेदवारी प्रशिक्षणार्थी. Later, she joined Pulela Gopichand's Badminton Academy to further enhance her sporting skills. Enhance, further improve, वाढवणे, संवर्धन करणे. तिचे सुरुवातीचे प्रशिक्षण मेहबूब अली यांच्याकडे सिकंदराबाद येथील सिग्नल अभियांत्रिकी व टेलिकम्युनिकेशन्स भारतीय रेल्वे संस्थेच्या बॅडमिंटन कोर्टावर सुरू झाले. त्यानंतर आपले क्रीडा प्रावीण्य अधिक उत्तम करण्यासाठी तिने पुलेला गोपीचंद यांच्या बॅडमिंटन अकॅडमीमध्ये प्रवेश घेतला. अर्ली सक्सेस. Sindhu's first recognition came in the form of the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for the Under 10 category. She also won the singles title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. सुरुवातीचे यश. सर्वो ऑल इंडिया चॅम्पियनशिपच्या क्रमवारीत 10 वर्षाखालील गटामध्ये 5वे स्थान प्राप्त करून सिंधूने विशेष चुणूक दाखवली. अंबुजा सिमेंटच्या ऑल इंडिया क्रमवारीतही तिने एकेरी या प्रकारातील किताब मिळवला. इन द अंडर 13 कॅटेगरी सिंधू वन डबल्स टायटल्स ॲट द IOC ऑल इंडिया रँकिंग, कृष्ण खैतान ऑल इंडिया टूर्नामेंट, द सब ज्युनियर नॅशनल्स अँड द ऑल इंडिया रँकिंग इन पुणे. At the 51st National School Games in India, Sindhu won the gold medal in the under 14 category. 13 वर्षांखालील वयोगटामध्ये सिंधूने भारतीय ऑलिम्पिक समितीतील ऑल इंडिया क्रमवारी, कृष्णा खैतान ऑल इंडिया सामना, सब ज्युनियर नॅशनल्स आणि ऑल इंडिया पुणे क्रमवारीत दुहेरी या प्रकारातील किताब जिंकले. भारतातील 51व्या राष्ट्रीय शालेय क्रीडा स्पर्धेमध्ये 14 वर्षांखालील वयोगटामध्ये सिंधूने सुवर्ण पदक पटकावले. सिंधूज डेब्यू अँड परफॉर्मन्स ॲट इंटरनॅशनल लेवल. जागतिक स्तरावरील सिंधूचे पदार्पण व कामगिरी. PV Sindhu didn't take much time to launch and establish herself as a promising player in the global arena. She won a bronze medal at the 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championships held in Colombo. To launch, to start or begin, सुरुवात करणे. Promising, sure to succeed, आशाजनक, यशस्वी खात्री. Global arena, international scene, आंतरराष्ट्रीय क्षेत्र. एक आश्वासक खेळाडू म्हणून जागतिक क्रीडापटावर स्वतःचे नाव संस्थान प्रस्थापित करण्यासाठी PV सिंधूला फार कालावधी लागला नाही. 2009 मध्ये कोलंबो येथे झालेल्या सब ज्युनियर आशियाई बॅडमिंटन चॅम्पियनशिपमध्ये तिने कांस्य पदक जिंकले. The star player bagged silver in the women's singles at Iran Fajr International Badminton Challenge in 2010 and found a place in the national team at the 2010 Uber Cup. Bagged, succeeded in achieving something. मिळवल्या, जिंकल्या. या तारांकित खेळाडूने 2010 मध्ये इराण फज्र आंतरराष्ट्रीय बॅडमिंटन चॅलेंजमध्ये महिला एकेरीचे रजत पदक मिळवले आणि 2010च्या उबर चषक संघामध्ये स्थान पटकावले. PV सिंधूज रिसेंट रेकग्निशन्स. PV सिंधूची अलीकडील उल्लेखनीय कामगिरी. ऑन 7 जुलै 2012, Sindhu won Asia Youth Under 19 Championship. Sindhu's performance at Malaysian Open 2013 made her win the maiden Grand Prix gold title. 7 जुलै 2012 रोजी सिंधूने 19 वर्ष वयाखालील आशिया युवा चॅम्पियनशिप मिळवली. सिंधूच्या मलेशिया ओपन 2013च्या कामगिरीचे फलित म्हणजे तिने पहिला ग्रँड प्रिक्स सुवर्ण किताब जिंकला. The best moment in her career perhaps came in the same year when she became India's first medalist in women's singles at the Badminton World Championships. त्याच वर्षी जागतिक बॅडमिंटन चॅम्पियनशिपमध्ये ती महिला एकेरीत गटात भारताची पहिली पदक विजेती ठरली. तो कदाचित तिच्या कारकिर्दीतील सर्वोत्तम क्षण असावा. PV Sindhu ended 2013 on a happy note by winning Macau Open Grand Prix gold title and also won the Arjun Award, one of the highest honors for a sportsperson in the country. मकाऊ ओपन ग्रँड प्रिक्स किताब जिंकून आणि देशातील एखाद्या खेळाडूसाठी सर्वोच्च मानाचा असलेला अर्जुन पुरस्कार मिळवून पी.व्ही. सिंधूने 2013 या वर्षाची बहारदार सांगता केली. In 2014, she won back-to-back medals in the World Badminton Championship and became the first Indian to do that. In November 2015, she bagged successive women's singles title at the Macau Open Grand Prix Gold. Successive, one after another, लागोपाठ येणारे. 2014 मध्ये जागतिक बॅडमिंटन चॅम्पियनशिपमध्ये तिने लागोपाठ पदके जिंकली आणि असे यश मिळवणारी ती पहिली भारतीय क्रीडापटू ठरली. 2015च्या नोव्हेंबरमध्ये तिने मकाऊ ओपन ग्रँड प्रीमध्ये एकामागे एक महिला एकेरी खिताब जिंकले. The year 2016 brought her another achievement of winning the Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold Women's Singles title, where she defeated Scotland's Kirsty Gilmore in the final. 2016 साली स्कॉटलंडच्या कर्स्टी गिल्मोर हिला अंतिम फेरीमध्ये हरवून तिने मलेशिया मास्टर्स ग्रँड प्री महिला एकेरी सुवर्ण किताब जिंकला आणि हे वर्ष तिच्यासाठी यशाचा आणखी एक नजराणा घेऊन आले. In August, she reached the semi-final of the women's singles event at the 2016 Summer Olympics after defeating world number 2 Wang Yihan. ऑगस्ट महिन्यात 2016 उन्हाळी ऑलिम्पिक्समध्ये जगातील दुसऱ्या क्रमांकावरील वँग यिहानला हरवून सिंधू महिला एकेरीच्या उपांत्य फेरीपर्यंत पोहोचली. Sindhu created history by reaching the finals after beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the women's singles semi-final in the Rio Olympics. Create history, set a record. इतिहास घडवणे. रिओ ऑलिम्पिक्समध्ये जपानच्या नोझोमी ओकुहाराला महिला एकेरीच्या उपांत्य फेरीमध्ये हरवून सिंधूने इतिहास घडवला. She won a silver medal in the finals, while the gold was taken by Spain's Carolina Marin. Later, she defeated Carolina Marin and won 2017 India Open Super Series title. तिने अंतिम फेरीमध्ये रौप्य पदक मिळवले तर स्पेनच्या कॅरोलिना मरीन हिने सुवर्ण पदक पटकावले. नंतर तिने कॅरोलिना मरीनला हरवून 2017 इंडिया ओपन सुपर सिरीजचा किताब मिळवला. Noteworthy honors. Among the other noteworthy honors that Sindhu has received are the Padma Shri in 2015, which is the fourth highest civilian award of India. In 2016, she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Noteworthy, remarkable, notable. लक्षात घेण्याजोगा. उल्लेखनीय सन्मान. अनेक विशेष पुरस्कार व सन्मानांबरोबरच सिंधूला भारताच्या चौथ्या सर्वोच्च नागरी पुरस्काराने म्हणजेच पद्मश्री पुरस्काराने 2015 मध्ये गौरवण्यात आले. त्या पाठोपाठ 2016 मध्ये राजीव गांधी खेलरत्न पुरस्कार देऊन सिंधूला सन्मानित करण्यात आले. The best endorsement of Sindhu has been Gopi Chand's words about her dedication and commitment to the sport. The most striking feature in Sindhu's game is her attitude and the never say die spirit. Endorsement, confirmation, manyata, पावती. Dedication and commitment, constant, faithful efforts. समर्पण, निष्ठा. Attitude, a fixed way of thinking or feeling about something. प्रवृत्ती, मनाची भूमिका, कल. Never say die attitude, never give up hope. कधीही हार न मानणे. सिंधूच्या खेळाप्रती असलेल्या निष्ठा व बांधिलकीविषयी गोपीचंद यांनी काढलेले उद्गार म्हणजे तिच्या कार्याला मिळालेली सर्वोत्तम पावतीच होय. ते म्हणतात, सिंधूच्या खेळाचे सर्वात लक्षणीय वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे तिचा स्वभाव आणि कधीही हार न मानण्याची तिची वृत्ती. P.V. Sindhu has been pushing the envelope like no young badminton player had done before in the history of women's badminton in India. Pushing the envelope, extend, reach beyond what is possible. प्रयत्नांची पराकाष्ठा करणे, क्षमतेचा पुरेपूर वापर करून यश संपादन करणे. भारतात आजवरच्या महिला बॅडमिंटनच्या इतिहासात कुणाही युवा बॅडमिंटन खेळाडूने केली नसेल अशी कामगिरी पी.व्ही. सिंधू करीत आहे. At an interview, Sindhu was asked how much mentoring or guidance her father and mother had been able to give her and how involved they were in her sports career. In her own words, mentoring, training, advising, सल्ला देणे, मार्गदर्शन करणे. एका मुलाखतीत सिंधूला विचारले गेले की तिच्या क्रीडा कारकिर्दीमध्ये तिच्या आईवडिलांचे मार्गदर्शन किती होते आणि त्यांचा सहभाग किती होता. त्यावर ती म्हणते, Guidance wise, every time I go for national level tournaments, they accompany me there, and when I practice and play, they tell me what I'm doing. My dad gives me a summary of how I play, and it is very helpful because as outsiders, those who look at it know more about the game. मार्गदर्शन म्हणायचे तर राष्ट्रीय स्तरावर मी ज्या ज्या स्पर्धांना जाते तिथे ते माझ्याबरोबर असतात आणि मी जेव्हा सराव करीत असते किंवा खेळत असते तेव्हा मी काय करत आहे ते मला सांगतात. माझे वडील माझ्या खेळाचा जो सारांश मला सांगतात त्याचा मला खूप उपयोग होतो कारण बाहेरून बघणाऱ्यांना खेळाविषयी अधिक चांगली जाण असते. ॲज बॅडमिंटन प्लेयर्स वी ऑब्व्हियसली नो अ फ्यू थिंग्स but someone from the outside can pinpoint stuff that we may not have noticed easily. So, both as counselors and parents, it is really helpful. बॅडमिंटनपटू म्हणून आपल्याला काही गोष्टी नक्कीच माहीत असतात, परंतु आपल्या सहजपणे ध्यानात न आलेली एखादी गोष्ट कुणी बाहेरची व्यक्ती नेमकी लक्षात आणून देऊ शकते. त्यामुळे पालक म्हणून आणि मार्गदर्शक म्हणून दोन्हीही दृष्टीने ते फार उपयुक्त ठरते. In the same interview, a practical question was asked. It's not possible for a badminton player to win week in and week out. As a top player, how did she manage to just go to a tournament and psychologically deal with an early loss? Did it hurt when she didn't win? Week in and week out, every week without exception. आठवड्यामागून आठवडे. Psychologically, affecting mind and emotions. मानसिक दृष्ट्या. याच मुलाखतीत एक व्यावहारिक प्रश्न विचारण्यात आला. एखाद्या बॅडमिंटनपटूला आठवड्यामागून आठवडे कायम जिंकत राहणे शक्य नाही. एक शीर्षस्थानी असणारी खेळाडू म्हणून एखाद्या सामन्यासाठी गेल्यावर लवकर हार पत्करावी लागली व मानसिकदृष्ट्या ती त्याला कशी तोंड देते. यश मिळत नाही तेव्हा तिला त्रास होतो का? To this she replied, If you don't play well and lose in the first round, second round, you feel bad, especially if you're one of the top players. But you need to come out of it and practice harder and identify and learn from your mistakes. Come out of, succeed in dealing with the problem and defeat it. तावून सुलाखून बाहेर पडणे, यशस्वी होणे, मात करणे. यावर ती उत्तरते, तुम्ही चांगले खेळला नाहीत आणि पहिल्या किंवा दुसऱ्या फेरीत हरलात तर नक्कीच वाईट वाटते. विशेषतः तुम्ही जेव्हा उत्तम खेळाडूंपैकी एक असता. पण तुम्हाला त्यातून बाहेर पडावे लागते आणि अधिक चांगला सराव करीत आपल्या उणीवा ओळखून त्यातून शिकायला हवे. आय थिंक टू कम आउट ऑफ इट टेक्स टाइम, बट अप्स अँड डाऊन्स आर ऑलवेज देअर अँड यू नीड टू कोप विथ इट. हॅट्स ऑफ टू यू सिंधू अँड विश यू इवन ग्रेटर सक्सेस. हॅट्स ऑफ, a phrase used to show admiration, praise or congratulate him or her. सलाम करणे, एखाद्या व्यक्तीच्या किंवा गोष्टीच्या अत्युच्च कामगिरीबद्दल वाहवा करणे. माझ्या मते त्यातून बाहेर यायला वेळ लागतो, पण असे चढउतार नेहमीच येतात आणि तुम्हाला त्याचा सामना केलाच पाहिजे. सिंधू, तुला सलाम आणि उत्तमोत्तम यशासाठी शुभेच्छा. Factual question. A. What was P.V. Sindhu's outstanding achievement in 2016? P.V. Sindhu is an ace shuttler and silver medalist in 2016 Rio Summer Olympics. B. Around what age did Sindhu start her achievements in badminton? P.V. Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8. C. What was Sindhu's first win at international level? She won a bronze medal at the 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championships held in Colombo? D. Before winning the silver medal in the Rio Olympics in 2016, what did she win? Before winning the silver medal in Rio Olympics, Sindhu won the Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold Women's Singles title. She had defeated Scotland's Kirsty Gilmore in the final. In August 2016, she defeated world number 2 Wang Yuhan and reached the semi-final of the women's singles event at Summer Olympics. She reached semi-final of the women's singles event at Summer Olympics. She reached semi-finals in the Rio Olympics by defeating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara. E. Name the 2 great honors that Sindhu has received. Sindhu has received Padma Shri in 2015 and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016. F. What difference do her parents make when they attend her tournaments? When Sindhu's parents attend her tournaments, they tell her what she is doing. Her father gives her a summary of how she plays, and that is very helpful to her because as outsiders who look at her game know more about her errors or faults. Her parents can show or describe exactly where she goes wrong in the game, which she may not notice easily. G. How can one come out of failure or loss according to Sindhu? According to Sindhu, if he or she is one of the top players and does not play well and loses in the first or second round, he naturally feels bad. But he needs to come out of the situation and then practice hard and identify his or her mistakes and learn from it. Of course, it takes time to come out of it, but he or she needs to cope with it. Sindhu conveys this message in the last paragraph. (4.2) English Workshop 1. Complete the words by filling in the missing letters. A. E-H-A-N-C-E F-E-T-U-R-E L-U-N-C-H N-O-T-W-O-R-T-H-Y M-N-T-O-R I-D-E-N-I-F-Y. Answer: enhance, feature, launch, noteworthy, mentor, identify. B. Make as many 3-letter and 4-letter words from the word contemporary. Answer: caught, coat, cone, nor, team, pot, poor, net, 10, empty, tear, more, camp, port, not, roam, norm, nap, more, camp, port, etc. 2. Make sentences of your own using the following phrases or idioms. A. To enhance further. Ramesh worked hard to enhance further his skills in Indian classical music. B. To launch. Being a great producer, Mahesh wants to launch his son as a hero in his film. C. To create history. Sachin Tendulkar has created history in the world of cricket by scoring more than 15,000 runs in his career. D. To push the envelope. Virat Kohli has been pushing the envelope like no batsman has done before in the history of Indian cricket. E. Week in and week out. It's impossible for any man to be successful week in and week out. F. To come out of. It's not easy to come out of the natural calamity like earthquake. 3. Prepare a profile or fact file of PV Sindhu using the following points. Sindhu's profile. Full name: Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. Date of birth: 1995. Father: P.V. Ramana. Mother: P. Vijaya. Native of Andhra Pradesh. Started badminton at the age of 8. First coach: Mehboob Ali. Second coach: Pulela Gopichand. First major achievement as junior: the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. First international win, won a bronze medal at the 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo. Honours received 1. Arjuna Award in 2013, 2. Padma Shri in 2015, 3. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016. Greatest win in 2016, won silver medal in the finals in the Rio Olympics. Her great strength, her attitude and her never say die spirit. 4. Answer in short in your own words. 1. What made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8? Answer. Pulela Gopichand won the All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. Sindhu was just 8 years old then. She used to play volleyball. Gopichand's victory in England inspired her to play badminton instead of volleyball. So, at the age of 8, she started playing badminton. 2. What were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old? Sindhu's first major achievement came in the form of the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for the under 10 category. She also won the singles title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. She also won doubles titles at the IOC All India Ranking, Krishna Khaitan All India Tournament, the Sub-Junior Nationals, and the All India Ranking when she was under 13 category. Sindhu won the gold medal in the under 14 category at the 51st National School Games in India. These were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old. Three. What history was created by PV Sindhu in 2016? What was her victory in the following year? Before winning the silver medal in Rio Olympics, Sindhu won the Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold Women's Singles title. She had defeated Scotland's Kirsty Gilmore in the finals. In August 2016, she defeated world number 2 Wang Yuhan and reached the semi-final of the women's singles event at Summer Olympics. She reached semi-final of the women's singles event at Summer Olympics. She reached semi-finals in the Rio Olympics by defeating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara. 4. What are the positive character traits of PV Sindhu? Gopi Chand has been Sindhu's coach for a long time and he knows much more about Sindhu's game. He observes that the striking features of Sindhu's games are her positive attitude and her never say die spirit. 5. What role do Sindhu's parents play during her important matches? When Sindhu's parents attend her tournaments, they tell her what she is doing. Her father gives her a summary of how she plays, and that is very helpful to her because as outsiders who look at her game, they know more about her errors or faults. Her parents can show or describe exactly where she goes wrong in the game, which she may not notice easily. 6. What message does Sindhu convey in the last paragraph? According to Sindhu, if he or she is one of the top players and does not play well and loses in the first or second round, he naturally feels bad. But one needs to come out of the situation and then practice hard and identify their mistakes and learn from it. Of course, it takes time to come out of it, but one needs to cope with it. Sindhu conveys this message in the last paragraph. 5. Imagine that PV Sindhu has recently won very important tournament at international level. Frame an email on behalf of your school to congratulate her. Use the proper email format. From kumarraju@.com, net Ideal High School. To pvsindhu@andhrabadminton.com. Date Monday 18th June 2018. Subject Congratulations on winning badminton tournament. Dear Miss Sindhu, please accept our congratulations on behalf of our school, Ideal High School, Mumbai. Your recent win in Malaysian badminton final is really commendable. Your exemplary success will always inspire our young players. It is a great honor to our nation. Wish you many great achievements in future. Love you. Sincerely yours, Kumar Raju, Ideal High School. Language study. 1. Coordination. Observe the clauses in the following sentences. 1. He is intelligent and he is hardworking. 2. Asif was tired but he could not rest. 3. You can go for a walk or you can exercise at home. 4. Seema has recovered from fever so she can attend school. Each of the above sentences have clauses which do not depend on each other for complete sense. They are called independent or coordinate clauses. They are joined by conjunctions like and, but, or, so. Such conjunctions are called coordinators. Other coordinators are as well as, not only but also, yet, still, however, nevertheless, or, nor, else, either or, neither nor, so, therefore, thus, hence, for. Pick out the coordinate clauses and encircle the coordinator. 1. She bagged a silver medal and she found a place in the national team. Answer. She bagged a silver medal. She found a place in the national team. 2. PV Sindhu is an ace shuttler, but she was born to volleyball players. PV Sindhu is an ace shuttler. She was born to volleyball players. 3. You must play well or you lose the first round of play. You must play well. You lose the first round of play. 4. My parents point out my flaws so I can improve my game. My parents point out my flaws. I can improve my game.